Hey there. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, you have 1 hour. 1 hour before the world gets its hands on you, before the emails flood in, before the demands start, before everyone else tells you who you need to be and what you need to do. This is the hour of power. This first hour, this is your time. This is when you decide who you're going to be today. What will you practice in your hour of power? Will you scroll through your phone, letting algorithms choose your thoughts? Or will you stand in non-polarity, cultivating your center? Will you rush into reactivity, or will you breathe consciously, setting your intention for the day? Will you feed your mind with chaos and noise, or will you read wisdom? Listen to teachings that elevate you, things that bring you closer to who you really are. Here's what most people don't understand. You are what you practice. And your first hour, that's your most powerful practice. That's when your mind is fresh and your willpower is the strongest. Your day is still full of possibility. So if you win the morning, you win the day. You lose the morning, spend the rest of the day catching up. Every master, every cultivated person, every high performer, they guard their morning. It's sacred time because they understand how you do anything is how you do everything. So tomorrow morning, what will it be? What will you practice in your hour of power? The choice is yours. Every single day, the choice is yours. Choose wisely.